In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.2, question number 2, part 5th. And question we have to integrate 1 plus ex whole raised to power 3 divided by ex dx. So see, this is 1 plus ex whole power 3 or whole exponent 3. Here we are going to use the formula a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So just follow this formula. How to expand a plus b whole cube you should know in order to find out, in order to solve this question. So see, we will start. First is the a cube, and instead of a we have 1, instead of b we have ex. So see, a cube plus 3, this one a square b, a we have 1, b we have ex. Same thing now, 3, instead of a we have 1, instead of b we have ex square plus b cube means ex cube and dx divided by ex. So now see, 1 cube means 1 plus 3ex plus 3e2x, similarly plus e 3x from here, and dx divided by ex. Now see we have 4 terms in the numerator and 1 term ex in the denominator. So we will divide each term with this denominator. It will be 3ex divided by ex plus 3e2x divided by ex plus e3x plus ex dx. Here see, this ex will cancel this. We have 1ex plus 3 plus 3ex. Why ex? Because 2x minus x. When we will take this ex in the numerator, the sign will change because we have the same base ee. Same thing for here, it will be 2x dx. Right, now our question is very simple and we will integrate it individually. So it will be 1 over ex dx. 3 is constant, we can take out from the integral sign. 3ex dx, similarly e2x dx. So in the next step we will just take this ex in the numerator and rest of the line we will write down as it is. We cannot do the integration here, we will do in the next step all together. So here see, it is e minus x and power is -1, so we will divide with this 3, and the integral of dx is x plus 3 e raised to power x, and it is positive, so we have to divide it by 1, and here is 2x, it is 2, so divided by 2 plus constant of integration. One more step, this is minus, we will make it e minus x plus 3x plus 3ex, right? This is denominator, we have 1, so no need to write down, but here is 2, so 1 over 2 e2x plus c is our answer. How simple it is, right? So in this question you should know how to expand the formula of a plus b whole cube. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.